Now this is our 2017 Jeep Wrangler Sahara Unlimited in the color Chief. As you can see in the front, we have our LED headlamp, as well as our 7-slot grille. We have our fog lamps down the bottom, our tow hooks there as well. The Sahara comes with the body-colored fender flares. Moving on to the side, we have our 18-inch rims. These are our 5-spoke rims with the granite pockets. We have our tubular side steps on the side there. This has the black Freedom hardtop. We have our 5th tire on the back there, and this vehicle comes equipped with the trailer tow group, so you have the hitch installed there as well. Now this vehicle does come equipped with the remote start system, so all I'm going to do is I'm going to double tap this button right here, and it's going to start up the engine and get the vehicle either real nice and cool for us in the summer or nice and warm for us in the winter. Now moving inside, we have our cloth leather seats with the Sahara logo on them there. Now up here we have our Jeep Freedom hard panels. So these 2 panels just unclip and they come off. You can store them in the trunk or you can just leave them at home. It's up to you. But it's a very cool ride just with having no roof on. And we have our grab handles here as well. Now moving inside, we have our automatic headlamps here. We also have our voice controls as well as our Bluetooth controls. Our menu controls to change the in cluster here. As you can see, this vehicle has just over 32,000 kilometers on it. And then we have our wiper controls and our cruise controls right here as well. Now over here we have our 6.5-inch touchscreen. It has AM, FM, and Sirius XM. We also have our navigation as well. We have our phone option for our Bluetooth. We have our media, so you can play your music through the auxiliary port, the USB port here, and your Bluetooth. It also can come equipped with a CD player, and then you have like storage space on here as well. And we have our power windows, our AC controls. We have our automatic transmission, as well as our 4x4 shifter as well. Moving into the back, we've got lots of space here, and we have our all-weather floor mats down here as well. This vehicle is actually also equipped with the supplemental side airbags too, and we have our sound system up there as well. Moving into the back, we have lots of space back here. Our rear seats also do fold down, so we have a 60-40 split, so if you do need that extra space in the back, you do have the option of having it. And then underneath here, we have some extra storage space and some slots for you to put the screws if you do choose to take the roof or the doors off as well. And there you have it.